Hello creative buddies, welcome back to Flying with Art. In today's video I will be showing you how to make this beautiful fish vertical planter which can be used to decor your balcony, your garden area, and I use cement and plastic bottle to make this. So let's begin making this beautiful garden decor. If you are new to the channel, it's so great to have you here. So subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell and select all notifications so that you never miss any of my latest videos. After giving some metallic touch to the fish completes our project, let's have a final look at the project. I hope you guys love this easy fish vertical planter, which can be used to add beauty to your entrance or balcony or garden space. I hope you guys love this video and will give it a try. If you love this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share your valuable feedbacks. Subscribe to Flying with Art and hit the notification bell and select all notifications for my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.